Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to William's channel. For today, I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on a adaptive noise cancelling JBL Live 675. Let's dive in and see if these headphones live up to the hype. For the first impressions matter, and the JBL Live 675 definitely makes a statement. This sleek design and premium materials used make these headphones look and feel high-end, but what about comfort? I've worn these headphones for extended periods, and I can confidently say they're incredibly comfortable. The ear cushions are soft and padded, and the adjustable headband ensures a snug fit. Now let's talk about the most important aspect, the sound quality. The JBL Live 675 delivers exceptional audio with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. The adaptive noise cancelling technology works wonders in blocking out background noise, making it perfect for commuting or studying. These headphones are packed with features including wireless connectivity, voice assistant integration, and customizable EQ settings. The battery life is impressive, with up to 24 hours of playback on a single charge. With the overall, I am thoroughly impressed with the adaptive noise cancelling JBL Live 675. The combination of exceptional sound quality, comfortable design, and advanced features makes these headphones a top choice for music enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, definitely consider giving this a try. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tech content. And give this video a thumbs up or more, and stay up to date on latest on stuff. So please subscribe to William M. Fatigue.